buy a fast car. I want to go fast.
Let's get it, buddy. Smile for the camera. So Zach here is borrowing a C8 Corvette. So father-in-law's, not his. He's filmed a few of my videos, so let's see how he does on the track here, TMP. And let me tell you, this crowd is fucking nuts, man. This place is packed. Yeah, I think it's Nitro Nationals, I think it's going on or something like that for drag racing. So this place is, it's got 40 cars open lapping. It's nuts.
Talking at a good point here.
No doubt about it.
It's the corners that I don't push it. I think the tires are what hold me back.
When you don't know the car that well, never been on track with it, I'm getting thrown around here. I'm just trying to keep this camera stable all the time. It is an automatic. Hell yeah. She goes though, she goes. You take that one wide, it fucking startled me for a minute. Holy, give her. It's hard to, yeah, I know. He's getting over for you. He's warming up.
Fucking AC's on, bro. Watch your arm.
Oh shit. Honestly, didn't even see that. Look at that.
I was like, why is it getting colder?
Why am I losing horsepower? Sitting in a Corvette. Man, I might have to get one of these.
These are sick. Even the C7.
Oh my god.
And I'm chill. Like, I'm not even flashing it. This is all easy.
Feels pretty smooth, honestly. This is a supercar.
It's point and shoot, man.
This is wow. Incredible. Incredible.
You know when it steps out like that, you don't feel it.
There's something behind you. The fucking Audi.
That's the thing that scares me.
Okay, you're gonna go on the outside lane. Just give it to the outside. Let him pass you on the inside. Signal. This thing is nuts. Dude, that thing is fucking sick. Oh my god. That thing, that one competes at CSCS. That thing's fucking nuts.
That scares me.
Holy shit, dude. Oh, he's cooling down. That thing's so built. You're fine.
We're good.
Yeah, you might have scratched the front lip a little bit.
It's okay.
Trust me, I've done that before. It's fine.
Alright, I'm gonna chill now.
Yeah, you took that too fast. Or your brakes might have been cooked a little bit there.
girlfriend.
Hopefully she doesn't watch this video. Huh. You know, maybe we'll clip it and put it on Instagram. Fake Z06 owner fucking almost wrecks Corvette at TMP. It sounds good, it's not flapping. It's not finding a gear. Are you paddle shifting? No. I would have been paddle shifting all the time. I'll look at the crowds here. Let's place it on. Like, click something. Whoops.